Hey, it's Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night or waking up groggy and unrested, you're not alone. I know how frustrating it can be to chase deep sleep, and that's why I want to share a 10-minute bedtime routine that could transform your nights. Backed by research, simple to follow, and actually relaxing. Here's the deal: sleep isn't some luxury you can skip, it's your body's nightly reset. Poor sleep is linked to everything from brain fog and weight gain to anxiety and even inflammation. But here's the good news: improving your sleep is possible starting tonight. Ready? Let's dive in. First 3 minutes, breathe slowly, deeply into your belly. This isn't just calming, it actually lowers your cortisol and signals your brain that sleep is coming. Science shows this activates your rest and digest mode. Exactly what you want before bed. Next, minutes 4 to 6, try gentle self-massage on your neck or jaw. It sounds simple, but it helps melt away tension and inflammation, making it easier for your body to relax. Minutes 7 and 8. Put away your screen. Seriously, the blue light from your phone or TV can delay your natural sleep hormones by over an hour. Try a book or calming music instead. Last 2 minutes, grab a journal, write down 3 things you're grateful for, or just reflect on the day. Studies show this simple act can ease anxiety and help you drift off faster. But here's what most people miss. True sleep health starts way before bedtime. It's about what you eat, how you manage stress, and your daily habits. That's why I created the Aster Diet, to help you heal your body, balance your hormones, and support deep sleep naturally. If you want to go further, grab my book Eat to Heal. I've also created a free health coaching consultation to help you get started. In this one-on-one session, you'll discover how to apply the STR diet to your unique health goals, naturally reduce pain and fatigue, and take back control of your well-being. So here's what to do next. Click the link below to claim your free health coach consultation and get your copy of Eat to Heal. This simple step could completely transform your brain, your energy, and your life.